It's okay? Yep. Good morning, guys, and welcome to VMTC. And this is Lucas, working as the overseas sales manager for VMTC. And as you see, this is our booth, and our positioning is to be the world's largest COB LED panel OEM and ODM manufacturing in the world. And in our booth, you will have a product with 206 200 inches COB in the front of you. And for the advantages of the company, since we have our own completed LED industry chain in the world, start from the LED wafer and the LED chips and to our LED module. So we have the fully vertical industry chain in our company, and we are also the only company who has the whole industry chain in the LED industry in the chain. Yeah, and in our booth we have our product with 3 TVs, like 0.108 inches, 2K and 2K, virtual pixels and the real pixels. Coming here, we have another product with the size of 4K, 135 inches TV. And in front of this wall, we have the whole mass production pixel pitches from 0.7, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, and 1.5, and 1.8. All of those products are made by ourselves, start from the LED chips and also the LED modules. So start from here, you can check the viewing angle of the COB is really widely over 170 degrees. And the screen, even that is narrow pixel like 0.7, but it's still strong enough. And you can scratch on the surface, clean on the surface, and wider viewing angle without any brightness and color difference. Yeah. Okay, that is all information for your reference. And for more information, you are welcome to visit our booth at 6M680, and also visit our website and as www.szmtc.com.cn. Thank you.